In today's video, I'm showing you how to make up this delicious 33 grams of protein. Takes less than 15 minutes to make and is going to keep you full for the next 5 to 6 hours. If you want your body composition to completely change well into your 40s and beyond, we have to focus on the protein. We are in for a treat this week. If you are a volume-based eater, let me tell you, if you want to stop the food noise of while you're trying to lose weight and feeling hungry, try this week's habit. It is tofu. This is going to keep you full for the next 5 to 6 hours. But right out the gate, if we are just meeting for the first time, my name is Melissa. I am doing a 52-week, one video a week of adding in a micro habit that I developed that into your 40s, men and women, but especially women that are going through perimenopause and menopause, you are going to start to add in these foods each week, and it is going to completely transform the way that your body composition, the way that the weight is sitting on your body, because that's what I get asked about the most. You have to get more intentional with the way that the human biology is breaking down the food that you choose to put into your body. It's all science-based. I've researched it. Start at week 1, so I'll link those right here. We're on week 7 if you're following along with this directly with me. But this is timeless. This is what you need to purchase. It's down in the description. It's going to be in the comments, but I wanted to make it $5 because I want it to be available to everyone. And when you follow along with this, okay, you're going to purchase it. It's going to upload right to your phone. You're going to be able to follow along just like we are here, week 7 of the intentional micro habit food that you are adding into your meal plan, and then the weight just starts falling off. And I just want to tell you, by week 7, are you or are you not experiencing your entire body composition has changed? I think that's the best thing coming into almost 2 months of this now. We're only on week 7. So you're going to have 52 weeks worth of intentional habits that are going to make weight loss effortless for you. Subscribe to my channel, and this weight is going to be effortless for you. So we're going to make this in real time today. I'm going to show you, get the tofu. I get this one at Target. It is Good and Gather organic extra firm tofu. Go ahead and you're going to just open up that package. There's going to be water in there, so go ahead and drain that out. So once you take it out of the package and drain out the water, this is what you're left with. And I do highly recommend, because it is packaged in the water, to just gently compress it with the paper towel. That's going to kind of remove more of the moisture. And I like that as far as the seasonings and all the flavoring adhering to the tofu. So go ahead and just get that moisture out of there, and then we'll get it seasoned up. And once you have that excess moisture out of there, all you do is just cut it and cube it. I actually have an air fryer video right here on how to do tofu in the air fryer. And once you have that all cubed, we're going to go ahead and put it into your bowl so that we can add in all of our seasonings. So, like I said, I think it tastes just like teriyaki chicken when it comes out, but it is so important to me that we are following along with our step-by-step 52 microfoods habit guide. So I want to incorporate as many of those habits into this one meal that I can, and watch how we do this. So remember from previous weeks, the ground ginger. So we're going to add in couple teaspoons of the ground ginger. Season that. We are going to add on our ground turmeric, because remember, this is what goes to work at the anti-inflammatory components, because inflammation has been building up in our bodies over the past 40 years. So go ahead and add that in. I always add in the disclaimer with turmeric that make sure it is safe for you. There are some underlying health conditions where turmeric is not safe. So that is on you to check with your healthcare provider to know that you are able to enjoy the benefits of turmeric. And what activates the turmeric? Black pepper. And of course, if you've been following my channel at all, you know that garlic powder covers a multitude of sins. So if you're worried about the flavorings of any of the ground ginger or turmeric being overpowering, go ahead and add in the garlic powder. This just takes care of so many health benefits. It helps aid in digestion. It just does so many things for us. So do not skip the garlic powder if you enjoy garlic. Generously sprinkle that on there. And then we just do a light drizzle of the extra virgin olive oil. This is our healthy fats that, again, you've heard me talk about so much, and it is coming up in a habit later on as the weeks keep going with this. But the health benefits of extra virgin olive oil are just beyond. So go ahead and drizzle 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over that. And then this really gives it a kick. This is a low sodium soy sauce. And this is, to me, what elevates it and sets it apart from just being something that's, kind of bland and, basic. Adding in that soy sauce just really gives it that element of knocking up that flavor just a little bit. So do 1 to 2 splashes of the soy sauce. And then all you have to do is mix that all together. And once you have that all mixed up, nothing left to do but throw it into your air fryer. I have the 6-quart Chefman. I can link that down below if you're interested in my air fryer. And like I said, I do have an entire video of how to make delicious foods in the air fryer. So be sure to check those out. But we're going to dump that. To go ahead and spray the bottom of your air fryer lightly. Pour in your seasoned up tofu. Shake it around. You want it to kind of be flat in the bed in there so it all cooks up evenly. Back into the air fryer for 400 degrees, 12 minutes. And we're going to shake it halfway through and see how we did. That's cooking in the air fryer. We're not just going to sit here and wait for it. We're going to continue to add more protein because, like I talked about in the beginning of this video, this meal actually keeps me full for 5 to 6 hours. And that is from the strong protein dense component that is packed into the healthy tofu and also packed into the dipping sauce that I make up. So we are getting from the tofu 9 grams per 3 ounces. 9 grams of protein per 3 ounces. I'm going to have 6 ounces of tofu because that's my main staple. So that's going to give me 18 grams of protein. All I'm going to do with my dipping sauce is show you how to make this one up. It's plain Greek yogurt mixed with the Green Goddess Primal Kitchen, and it is a dip that is so satisfying. You are going to love this. But so 18 and 15, that puts us at our 33 grams of protein for this one meal. So to make up the dip, it is so simple. I love these. 3/4 cup of the Greek yogurt mixed with 2 tablespoons of the Primal Kitchen Greek Goddess. And they have tons of different flavors, so you can actually choose whichever flavor you like. I just know over the years, people have complained that they have a hard time getting Greek yogurt into their body because they think it tastes like sour cream. So I like to flavor it up a little bit. You can flavor it up just with spices too, but this is kind of a treat. This one is so good if you're trying to stay on track with your weight loss goals, but you're still having girlfriends come over and you want to have some munchies out and whatnot, and girl talk and hang out, but you don't want to order the pizzas. You don't want to order the chicken wings. So I just grab my serving platter, pull it out of the air fryer. Look at these, nice and crispy, toasty. If you want them done up a little bit more firm, just cook them a little bit longer. But I think the 12 minutes is perfect amount of time. And remember to shake them halfway through. Pour those onto your plate. And it's just that easy, guys. So like I said, if you're a volume-based eater, you get to enjoy half of this. Half of the tofu is going to give you the 18 grams of protein, and you can enjoy all of the dip for 15 more grams of protein, putting you at 33 grams of protein. Adding in the intentional protein this week, week 7, is going to do just that. I hope you guys are enjoying this series. Like I said, please share this with friends and family. Make sure that you let everybody know it's only $5. It's going to upload directly to your phone. Follow along. This is timeless. Guaranteed you're going to get the weight loss results that you've always been looking for well into your 40s and beyond. So I will see you next week.